This weekend marks the 35th anniversary of Hubble, the space telescope, a joint project of the US and European space agencies, has revolutionized all areas of astronomical research by observing tens of thousands of celestial bodies in detail and providing us with the most beautiful images of the deep universe. Until when? Hubble's useful life is limited and has far exceeded its original design. There are no scheduled maintenance missions, and orbital decay means the observatory will return to Earth one way or another. However, leading candidate for NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman has expressed interest in organizing a mission to keep the Hubble Space Telescope operational for a while longer. Dark Soul is not only one of the darkest and most challenging universes in the gaming world, but also, according to recent research, an expected refuge for the mind. In a world increasingly saturated with rapid simulation and promises of immediate rewards, this from software title invites us to confront pain, frustration, and failure, teaching us to endure where others see only defeat. Now, a study from Aalto University in Finland reveals that dark souls can be a powerful tool for dealing with depression. Presented at the G25 conference, the study conducted by Jaakko Pakeva, Perttu Hamalainen, and Jane Lindqvist explored how Dark Soul helps players cope with mental health issues. The research analyzed more than 4,000 posts on their Are Dark Souls subreddit, filtering out those where users explicitly mentioned depression. From there, and using the GPT-4 Turbo language model to highlight relevant fragments with summary or reinterpreting, they extracted a purposive sample of 311 messages, which were then subject to manual thematic analysis. The goal was to understand from the player's own voices how the game's brutal difficulty became an emotional refuge. As humanity prepares to return to the moon, scientists also have ideas for massive lunar experiments that could revolutionize astrophysics. When Michael Collins flew over the far side of the moon during the Apollo 11 mission in 1979, he knew he would be remembered as the lonely human being in history. He remembered feeling fearless, almost exultant, thinking about everything on the far side of the moon. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin at the lunar surface and beyond all the creatures on Earth and everything humanity had built. Beside him, as Collins wrote in his memoirs, was one more who knows what. Half a century later, the famously empty lunar landscape is beginning to come alive. Not only are NASA and other space agencies preparing to send humans to the moon for longer periods, but researchers around the world are working on plans to turn into the most powerful astrophysics laboratory in the history. This could answer the deepest question we ever asked: how did the first start from? What did the universe evolve the way it did? Is there anyone else out there? Well, some finds out.